What's going on, y'all? What's going on? What's going on, David? Shout out to you. I see you in here. For those that just joined the stream, we haven't entered anything yet. We got a couple trade ideas we're looking at. We didn't take any trades last night either because price was pretty much just retracing yesterday. So I was just waiting for volume going into London session because last night I didn't really like anything Tokyo session wise. So we didn't take any trades last night. Looking for some setups right now. Watching GU for a possible sell setup. If you can hold 25.30 as resistance, we can look for sales going down to 24.95 and possibly 24.60. And then we're also going to move some more JPY buys. Missed the buy here because it didn't break this level until 1 a.m. Like about 2 hours ago, I was asleep, so I can't take a trade from sleep. And we're going to looking for some more possible GN sales. If GA can hold 90, 60, 90, 55 as resistance, as we can see, price off the retest, which is why we always wait for retest, is struggling to do so. So we're going to wait to see if we can push back now. If not, we're just going to let it do its thing. And then we had a big ass rejection on GA yesterday as well during the news. So we're just going to be watching a lot of these charts to see how they react going into today. We do got a couple more news events popping off today, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so at 8:15 we got some Euro news. Then at 8:30 we got USD news. And then 8:45 we got another Euro news event. And then at 1:01 we got another USD news event. So we got a lot more news popping off today at the beginning of New York. And then tomorrow we only got two high impact news events. At 2 a.m. we're going to do news, and at 2 a.m. we got some USD news today and tomorrow. If you guys got any questions, drop in the chat. When you charts, drop in the chat. Just dropped a new video yesterday for y'all. Make sure to check that out. We got another one dropping for y'all later on today. Yeah, we're just chilling right now. All right, new 15 just popped up. So it looks like these charts are still pushing up, so we're just gonna let them do their thing. Same thing with GU. So now we're just gonna wait and see if GJ can break this level. Again, we would have entered here, but it didn't do this move until about an hour and a half ago. It wasn't on the charts. I was asleep, so I missed this entry. So like I always tell y'all, we don't chase trades. But either way for price to retrace back down to 191.80, see if we can hold that support, or we're gonna wait to see if price can break back above 192.55 and hold that level support. What's going on, JD? Let's do the euro pair so we can look to. This was a trace also. Yeah, so we're gonna see what this next 5 minutes looks like. Questions dropped in the chat. We're looking at these charts dropped in the chat. We're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. Make sure to hit that first link in the description for signal for Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month or last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. When you hit the first link, you're going to see how we're doing so far this week. You're going to see the link to the live. Of course, I send the link every time we go live. This is how we did yesterday. Yesterday, we went 1-0, took a GJ buy. TB4 got hit, caught 37 pips. And then on Wednesday, we went... No, today's Thursday, so that was Wednesday. So then Tuesday, we went 2-0. Caught 156 pips, took a GA sell, all TPs got hit, caught 65 pips, as well as an EN sell, all TPs got hit, caught 91 pips. We caught way more than that because we held this into the next day as well. You see, this was April 9th. We go to GPAUD. There you go. So April 8th going into April 9th. We caught multiple sessions of price dropping down as well as EM. After April 8th going into April 9th. And also going into New York session, we caught way more than that much pips. Okay, so EM just, as soon as I bring the recap up, it will start to make a move. So let's hold that thought. I'm going to bring this a little down just in case it pushes back down. So I'm not going to really look for a sell setup here. I'm going to want to watch and see if we can break and hold 92.25 for the sell. Do 5 minute perspective as well. Oops. Okay, over there. Well, we know we didn't cross the level. All right, so yeah, so that's how we did on Tuesday, and then on Monday, started the week off right with the GA sell, nice up to the downside, caught 46 plus TB5 got hit. So that's how we're doing so far this week. And again, all the trades we've taken this week, not only did we break down as we're going as projected in the Sunday chart analysis, but we've broken down, if not entered, during the London session lives. So that's how we're doing so far to start off this month. This is how we did last month and last quarter. You can see this before April 4th. January went 20-0, caught 37,620 pips. February went 17-1, caught 24,403 pips. And then last month, March, went 16-3, caught 49,783 pips. In the quarter, 53-4 gives us a 93% win rate, catching a total of 111,806 pips. So make sure to check all that out. You click right here, it's going to take you to the beginning of the year, January 4th. We can see how we did last year, quarter 4, as well as it'll take you to how we did at the beginning of the year. All wins and losses are posted. See screenshots of positions, student results, testimonials. You can see all that when you explore scroll through the channel. Right now, we're looking at possible GM. So we want to see if GJ can break this resistance level, hold that support again. Look for possible buy setup. And then we're just watching GU and the indices as well, but they're kind of just retracing, pushing up. So we're just going to let them do their thing right now. I'm just chilling, patiently waiting. New 5 minute about to pop up. Those just joining the stream, haven't entered anything yet. These are just trade ideas. Got a new 15 about to pop up in a little bit. Okay, so it rejected a level, so we're just gonna let it do its thing for right now. You're just still pushing. This would have been a nice move. This is the move we caught on Monday. We're just gonna let it do its thing right now. We're gonna look at some crypto while we chilling because the charts look like they're chilling for right now. Less than the next 30 minutes, we're gonna see some big volume filled candlesticks. Let's go ahead and pull some stuff up. Like I said, you guys got any questions, drop in the chat when we look at any charts. We're gonna pull up some crypto and take a look and see what's going on. Because we had some retracement a couple of days ago and it started push back up. I saw online people talking about like Bitcoin like dumped or something, but when we look here, it's still chilling at this resistance level. So we watched that video I just dropped yesterday. I'll go over this a little bit more in detail. We're still bullish on this, so it's going to be interesting to see what happens. In that video, like I said, we have the happening April 19th, April 20th, depending on what part of the country you're in. So it's going to be interesting to see if it's going to break these highs or we're going to see a retracement, because it is due for a retracement for sure, especially on the monthly. Yeah, I got a whole lot more content I got lined up. Like I said, this isn't going to stop any of the content, day trading wise. I'm going to be shifting this over to not just a day trading channel, but like an investing channel as well. We'll be talking about a whole lot of other subjects as well. Because we all revolve around the charts, investing, there's ways we can grow our money super easily, right? Because I'm talking about this in another video, but there's a lot of similarities and differences between like stocks and crypto. We're going to be talking about that stuff as well, so be on the lookout for that. But it was like prices just chilling right now. Again, we had some decent moves literally this entire week. We had a retracement take place yesterday with a lot of these charts. So we're waiting out after the retracement to see if we can continue the trend or we're going to see a reversal come into play. That's what we're really waiting on. Because again, this is what happened. It took place prior to the New York news yesterday. And after the New York news, this was the 8:30 candlestick. So the price had that big spike. You can drastically see how price just kind of slowed down. Very small candlesticks and how price just chilled at this level since then. So we're waiting to see if one volume kick in and two to see if the trend will continue for us or not. Again, we got a few movements popping off today. We got one at 8:15, 8:30, and 8:45, and then we got one later on at 1:01. But they're all at the beginning of New York. So we're going to see what happens, of course, in between here and New York. Appreciate the subs. I see y'all subbing. Yeah, compared to the other 2 days, price is kind of slow right now, but hey, nothing to do about that. Like I said, retracements are part of the game. When it comes to trading, it's really all about mindset as well, because I like to think of retracements as the market's getting ready to give me another big move, which is really what it is, dude. You know what I'm saying? Because before a higher high, got to come a higher low. Before a lower low, got to come what, a lower high. You feel me? But we got a new 15 about to pop up in a little bit. We got about 2 minutes. We're gonna see what that looks like. Like I said, I got a new video drop for free out today. I got a few videos lined up. I got one dropping today. And I got a couple more lined up for you. Be on the lookout for that. Those just join the stream. We haven't entered anything yet. These are just trade ideas. Go ahead and hit that first link in the description. Don't forget to signal for Telegram. You see on the screen how we did last month, last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok too. Y'all see it scrolling at the bottom of y'all screen. Instagram playmaker_way, TikTok _playmakerway_. Got some videos I'm dropping at the beginning of the New York session. And I said some videos. I got a video dropping on all my platforms at the beginning of the New York session. I think y'all are gonna look. So look up. Okay. Yeah, but there's another reason why we always wait for retracements and retests, because none of the sessions started off this candlestick. The price broke this low, is pushing down. So a lot of people would have freaked out and entered this trade, but because we see this stuff happen all the time, this is why we waited for the retest. And imagine if we didn't wait for the retest, we would have been in drawdown at a potential risk of taking a loss for no reason. We always want to wait for confirmations. We always wait for confirmations. Members, we're going to be going live during the news today too. It's going to be interesting to see what happens today with the news. So we're going to be going live for that as well. See if G is any closer to that level. Let's slowly make it this way though. The thing was pushing up Monday going into Tuesday, and then we took another buy on it yesterday. Hit the middle of our zone right before news popped off, and then news brought us right back down to where we started off the week. Again, we do have bullish momentum, but like we could see, after we made the higher high previously, price kind of struggled for 2 weeks to make a new higher high. Now we're slowly trying to attempt to push our way back up. All right, so we're going to see how GJ reacts to this level in the next hour. So unless it does a retracement, we're most likely going to tap this level on 192.50, and we're going to see if we can hold 192.50, 192.55 as support. If we can do so, we're going to look for buys going back to 193, and if we can break the whole 193 as support, we can see T-buys going to 193.40. And then we're still looking for possible EN and GN sells, and then we're going to be just watching the indices and gold and G to see how they could react between here to the news event. Like I said, members are going to be going live. I'll just send a message right now in the chat. We're going to be going live for the 8:30 USD news, so be on the lookout for that. Shout out to everybody in the live. Shout out to everybody that's been here since the beginning. Shout out to everybody that's been here since y'all joined. Let's see how this camera closes out. I'm going to let the members know right now we're going to be going live for the 8:30 news today. If y'all want to contact me directly, I can DM me on Instagram. See it on the bottom of your screen, playmaker_way. Or you get that first link in the description, join Instagram for Telegram, and you can DM me on Telegram as well. I've just been kind of playing around there. I want to see what I'm breaking. And I have an alert here because, again, I'm mainly, let's actually bring this alert back down. I have this here at the beginning of the session. I got it right here, so if it does break this level, I'll be able to hop back on the chart, look for a sell position. If it breaks above this level, that's going to let me know just leave price alone for now. So I'm going to be looking for it. I'm going to put an alert on GJ too, just in case. I already got it. Look, I already had it again. Perfect. All right, I'm going to be live at the same time tomorrow. London session 3 EST. And G rejected. I love it.